everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience. Today I'll be making this beautiful reversible hair bonnet. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button. If you have done that, let's get into it. So I'll be using this African print and this satin fabric, and also this piece of fabric that is really stretchy for this video. So this fabric is 29 inches by 25 inches. Depends on how big you want it. You can use more. So I'll fold it into 2 and then into 2 again, that is into 4. So now I'll be making a circle, and the folded edge is going to be my center point. So I'll be using the stretchy fabric for the band, and the length is going to be 2 inches. Now I'll be using 10 inches here, and I'll add ½ inch that I'll use to join to the band. That is 10.5 inches. So I'll mark 10.5 inches round from the center point, and I'll cut it out. So you can cut the satin fabric same way, or you can use this as a pattern to cut it out. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll place wrong sides on each other and pin it down, and I'll stitch round the ½ inch with the longest stitch on my sewing machine. So my head circumference is 22 inches, but I'll minus 2 inches because the fabric I'm working with is really stretchy. If the fabric you are working with is not too stretchy, you can minus 1 inch. So now this is 20 inches and the width is 5 inches. So I'll go ahead and fold ½ inch on both sides and iron it. So I'll go ahead and gather this, and this is my band. I folded the ½ inch on both sides and I have 2 inches. So I'll go ahead and join it this way. I'll make sure I sew it very close. So I've done that, and I made sure I gathered it up to 20 inches. Also, I've joined the band. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it a bit, and then I'll join the band to it. So I'll pin it round with one of the ½ inch, and that is good sides facing each other. And then I'll sew it round with the ½ inch. I've done that, and this is how it came out. So I'll turn it this way, and the next thing I'm going to do is to top stitch the other ½ inch. I'll use it to cover up the stitches. I'll first pin it down, and then sew from the good side in between this line. So I've done that, and this is how it came out. It came out really beautiful. As you can see, it is really simple and very easy to make. So this is the bigger size I made. I used 1 yard of fabric and I used 15 inches. So I'm going to try this on. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.